Welcome to YouSound Relaxation. If raccoons are rummaging through your trash or attic, today's sound experiment might help. Let's explore audio tones that may make them think twice. Raccoons are clever, persistent, and active at night. They invade gardens, dig through garbage, and even enter homes through vents and attics. While trapping is restricted in many places, deterrents like light, smell, and sound are being explored. Raccoons can hear frequencies between 50 Hz and 85,000 Hz, far higher than humans. Sharp, high-frequency sounds and unpredictable pulses may irritate or scare them off. Let's try a sound sweep from 15,000 Hz to 25,000 Hz. This is a high-pitched frequency sweep designed to be uncomfortable for raccoons. While it may not work for all cases, some property owners have reported success. Always use humane and legal methods to manage wildlife. Sound repellents are meant for gentle discouragement, not harm. Do not use these tones near pets sensitive to high-frequency sound. Have raccoons been raiding your yard? Did this sound help? Let us know in the comments. Next time, sound vs snakes. Can reptiles hear it at all?